What the heck is going on in the residential solar space? Well, Tuesday night, Enphase Energy reported a complete horror show of a quarter. I mean, yet its stock still soared nearly 17% the next day. It's kept running all week, including another almost 5% gain today. So how do you justify this seemingly insane move? I'm sure you're asking yourself this because you've seen this stock. All right, let me set the scene. For me, Enphase is emblematic of the whole alleged solar industry. They got their start selling microinverters, which transform solar energy into usable electricity. Over time, Enphase got into installing entire home and solar systems. And, they did the whole shoot and match. They've now moved into battery storage equipment, electric vehicle charging systems, too. Unlike so many other competitors, these guys actually run a profitable enterprise. And I've long said that Enterprise is among the best operators in the industry. But, and this is a very big but, this industry has been awful. This stock in particular got obliterated last year after a string of weak quarters as Wall Street turned against the entire group. While all things alternative energy got a big boost from the subsidies in that so-called Inflation Reduction Act, it wasn't enough to offset the damage from the Federal Reserve's relentless rate hikes. See, last year we found out that the whole residential solar business is powered by what we call financing. Almost nobody buys for the whole setup up front. Too expensive. And that means solar sales evaporate when the cost of financing soars. Hence why Enphase was the worst performer in the S&P 500 for 2023. It was down more than 50%. What was a great business in a zero interest rate environment became a trouble business when the Fed hit us with 525 basis points of rate hikes. Enphase didn't do anything particularly wrong. We just realized that the industry has far more interest rate risk than anybody thought.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.